In today's video, we are going to cover how to make QuickBooks Online font bigger. If you are already logged in to QuickBooks Online, stay on the QuickBooks page in your web browser. You do not need to change anything inside QuickBooks itself for this adjustment. The text size you see in QuickBooks Online is controlled by your browser settings, so the change will be made there and then reflected back on the QuickBooks page after a refresh. Go to the upper right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu, where you can access the settings that affect how websites are displayed on your screen. From that menu, click Settings to open the Browser Settings page in a new tab. Once the Settings tab is open, look for the Appearance section. In many browsers, Appearance is listed in the left panel, though the layout can vary slightly depending on the browser you are using. Open Appearance so you can view the display options for web pages. In the Appearance section, locate the setting labeled Font Size. This is the option that changes how large text appears across websites viewed in that browser, including QuickBooks Online. When you find font size, open the available choices and change it from medium to large or very large, depending on how much larger you want the text to appear. If large gives you enough space to read comfortably, you can leave it there. If you want a more noticeable increase, choose very large instead. This setting affects browser text display, so if you use the same browser for other websites, you may notice larger text there as well. After changing the font size, close the Browser Settings tab and return to the QuickBooks Online tab. At this point, the new font setting is selected, but the QuickBooks page may still be showing the previous text size until the page updates. Refresh the QuickBooks Online page by clicking the Refresh button in your browser. If you prefer using the keyboard, press F5 instead. Wait a moment for the page to reload fully. Then look through the text shown in QuickBooks Online. Confirm that the text is now larger than it was before. You can check labels, menus, account areas, or any other text currently visible on the page. If the size looks right, you are finished. If you want it larger later, you can return to the same browser setting and adjust it again. Thanks for watching. The text displayed in QuickBooks Online is now larger.